Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of something I've been waiting for quite a while. This is the Peak Designs outdoor backpacks and slings. Peak Design sent me this for review, and so we'll take a look at these things today real briefly, and I'll point out some of the features of these packs. I'm pretty excited to check these out, so let's get right to it. We've got the outdoor backpack 25 liter itself and the 7 liter outdoor sling. So let's go ahead and open up the sling first. Wow. Yeah, this is a beautiful sling. Look at that. This material is pretty amazing as well. Ultralight outdoor sling bag, 7 liter. This is PFAS free, so environmentally friendly. Contains materials that are recycled, Blue Sign approved, and solution dyed. Now I have heard that this particular color tends to get some patina over time. So what I mean by that is it tends to look worn and changes color a little bit from setting it in the dirt and things like that. So just keep that in mind if you go with this white color. There are a couple other colors, black and then a burgundy color, that you can check out on their site at peakdesign.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. First look of this is a very comfortable strap here with fully adjustable. It's one thing that I love about Peak Designs is their adjustments are just really pretty incredible. You've also got this quick on and off connection. We got a couple mounting points here if you wanted to roll up a jacket or something and stick that in there. It's kind of nice. Let's see what pockets we have. Right off the bat, these zippers are really great. They're sealed really nicely too. There's a nice little lanyard for keys or whatever you want to attach there. That's in the small pocket. Then we've got on the inside a couple of these neat little pouches here, and then a zipper pouch as well. A sticker, some information on the product and lifetime warranty that they offer, as well as a strap too. So at first glance, this looks very well made, as most Peak Designs products are. The stitching is beautiful. The material is beautiful. I love the colorway as well on this particular bag. And let's open up the 25 liter backpack, which I've been waiting for. 25 liter backpack. Awesome. Got some nice branding here. Ultralight outdoor backpack. A lot of different features on here, so I'll try to take you through a few of these features. Since this is not the full review, we will do a full review in the future on this bag. Again, as a first look, looks pretty awesome. It's got this roll top design here. It's going to take a bit to figure out all this great functionality. This is nice to have this magnetic top. I've got a couple other roll top bags and they have a drawstring there. That's actually kind of nice to be able to do that. Roll that down in and then have it protected, so that's pretty cool. Let's check out the back. Got some nice padded straps here, nice padded back. Now this one is a frameless because this is the 25 liter. 45 liter does have a frame in it, so you can check that out online. You can use their capture. This is the two attachment points that are made specifically for that device that can be used to carry your camera. I love all the attention to detail that they put here. Nice heavy duty carry strap with the logo and plenty of expandability inside. Lots of room in here. There is a spot here where you could put a water bladder. They also mentioned that this could double as a laptop sleeve as well. It would fit a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Pretty cool. So you can actually take the removable foam cubes that they sell and put these on the inside as well. So let's walk through a few features real quick. We've got this hip belt as well, which is fully adjustable, so you can add this hip belt to the pack. There is a rain cover for this as well, but I don't have that yet. It is on back order currently, but that is coming soon. Here's the hip belt. This is nice because the hip belt actually has one zipper pocket, and then the other side is just kind of an open pocket that you can shove some things down in or clip some things to here. So you got some versatility there, and these just snap on nice and easy. It stuffs up. That's pretty nice. I'm not going to put that on the pack right now since we're just taking a quick unboxing look at this. Let's see what else we've got. So your harness is completely adjustable, right? So you've got some adjustments up here at the top, a couple adjustments here down at the bottom. Makes this bag super lightweight and highly abrasion resistant. This is what they call the Terra shell. It's functionally weatherproof, and its 210 ripstop nylon fabric is 100% recycled, Blue Sign approved, and PFAS free. So it's a very environmentally conscious design, which I really love. There is a hydration hose pass-through at the top of the bag for added convenience. These flex pockets on the side are pretty great too. So you can fit an Nalgene bottle inside of this. I know it doesn't look very big at the moment, but when this is fully expanded, it's, you know, a good size. I don't have a bottle here with me right now to try that out for you, but these pockets look nice and expandable. You could also put a tripod in there as well. Got these ultra zips. So these are burly external zippers on the bags, and they're affixed with ultra high molecular weight polyurethane thread, and so that gives them incredible abrasion and tear resistance. So I'd like to see how well that works after it's been through its paces. And then they talk about storage on their site as well. Got the full flex pocket, lots of room in there, along with some straps. It can serve as an auxiliary hydration sleeve. There's two weatherproof number 5 ultra zip pockets. This thing's got a lot of features, and so I can't wait to give this a full review. So right off the bat, as a first look of this backpack, it's pretty sleek looking. It's ultra light, ultra versatile, and the sling as well, I think paired with this 25-liter backpack is going to serve my needs really well for multiple carry modes with the sling, and then, you know, longer day trips with the backpack, and maybe a combination of the two, this on the back and this one on the front, just as an extra sidekick pack that might be helpful. If you head over to peakdesign.com, you'll see right on their main page, they've got some information about these bags, a lot more than I can go into in detail in just an unboxing video. But we will have a full review here after I've used it for about a month. And so if you feel that this quick unboxing has been helpful for you, please hit that subscribe button down below. That means the world to me and this channel. It continues to grow over time, and really appreciate you all being here and watching these videos. So with that, I'll let you continue some research, and make sure you hit that bell and the like button on this video so that you get further updates when we post the full review of these bags. Again, thank you for your time today, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.